Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com. I'm making this a small video about last week's trade, and the weekly recap. All right, so let's get started. The week started on the no, not the 7th. What am I doing here? This one. All right, so the week started on the 3rd October, at 3rd, and this is the first trade, pound yen, and it is on the 3rd. For 150 pip. This is a beautiful entry here, and this is the buy order by the book, setup perfectly, perfect entry with my setup. All my trades are with this setup, and you can see this yellow mark shows my trade, and SL moved to break even plus. Next trade was on the 3rd as well. For 100 pip pound USD, same setup here. Yellow is above the black. This indicator all the way down. Red candle coming in and coming out with blue candles. And after a few candles, I open the trade buy order here. SL move break even plus. So that's the second trade. The third trade, pound yen for 120 pips. Same kind of setup again here. You can see that this is the trade. This is the entry. This is the trade here, right? And here we go on the 4th, pound Aussie. Everything was going up, right? So here, buy order. This was the setup again, same thing. 470 pip, by the way. And on the 4th, USD-CAD, short setup here, just the opposite of the long setup. Yellow is below the black. Blue candles turning red after going here in this area, and this indicator is all the way to the upside, turning to the downside. Sell order here, SL move to break even plus. And then on the 4th, pound yen again, after going up, drop, retracement, and then again start to go up. And here I have 55 pip. On the 5th, pound Aussie coming down beautifully from all the way top, from the top. Here, sell order, and this is 450 pip. From one level, there was another level, the 7650, big level. We came below, we found support, and then again we broke that support and went down straight up to 7416 area. Beautiful by the book. And pound USD, this is the trade that somebody was asking how to take the trade from 7 minutes. I usually don't, but just for the sake of showing, I made a video out of it, and you can see that video on my channel. They're how to make after the 40 minute, then you come and take the entry from the 7 minute, just to take the initial first few pips, and then after that you get the 20 minute setup, and then you get more bigger trade. So this one is for 65 pip. Pound yen, just like pound Aussie, pound USD went down. This is also beautiful trade, short setup here, or short setup here, and then 165 pip all the way down on the 6th. This is pound yen, and on on the 6th, pound USD as well, the same thing. Both trades I posted on my Telegram channel. Sell order, SL move to break even plus 115 pip pound USD, beautiful sell order, and by the perfect by the book setup, and went down for 115 pip. On the 6th, EUR-USD as well, short setup for 100 pip all the way down. And on the 6th, USD-CAD, USD-CAD is just the opposite of EUR-USD. So USD going down, USD-CAD going up. So here, long for 70 pip. And today, not today, I mean yesterday, Friday, the last day of the week, EUR-USD after NFP, short all the way down on the 7th for not much, but 60 pip only. After the NFP, USD started getting strong a little bit, and a couple of more trades on the way, but not enough pips. So I didn't close them. For one of them is this. They're still running. It's still open. This is pound USD. There was the entry here, and then but see this went down here, then it came back up. So right now it's like 40-45 pips. I usually don't close a trade with that kind of pip. I wait until at least more than 50, then maybe or hold if there is a reason to hold. This is pound USD. Another one running right now, still open, is pound Aussie. Aussie USD. You can see this one is also like around 40 pip. So these are the two trades, pound USD and Aussie USD, still running, not closed. Monday, I'll see what happened to them. So this is how this week went. Last week, before this week, the last week before the last week, which ended yesterday, that was like, I had like 24 trades. This week, only like 13 trades. And, because a couple of days, market just didn't move much because everybody was waiting for the NFP. So now NFP came, we have the direction. Hopefully the direction will be set, and hopefully USD, I'm expecting a weakness. So let's see what happens next week. All right, so till then, bye for now, and talk to you guys later.